Hey, it's Sid.
Hi, it's Leanne.
We're gonna do we're kind of bored, so we're gonna do a video on the best ringtones. I
Okay.
have the Intensity 2 on Verizon,
And mine is just a stupid
Samsung.
Samsung phone.
Yeah,
So,
Samsungs don't make the best phones, just saying, like, just don't get the Intensity 2 or the Intensity. But they have the best ringtones
they're
ever. So,
stupid.
they're stupid, but they're funny. So this
Hi.
this is my Verizon wireless default tone. Yeah, it's not that good here. This is my Animato tone. This is Brainwave.
This
City of
is
Dis. One sec.
this is my laugh.
Hello.
1 second. Sorry, she's on the phone.
Who is it? Is this Rochelle? Hi, Walker.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hot. Okay. You're.
Okay, so how are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
What are you talking like you're on drugs?
I'm not.
Like you are.
Okay. What drugs am I taking?
All of them. Like,
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
wow.
Hi. Oh, cool. Nice singing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, let me do it. I know what to do.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Leanne. Stop it.
You're Sydney.
Yeah, who is this?
Purple flower.
Purple Flower.
Yeah, my first name purple, the last name.
Okay, Purple Flower. What's up?
I'm sick.
That sucks. What do you have?
A strep throat.
That stinks. Maybe you should stop talking.
What?
Maybe you should stop talking.
You're so funny.
Really, who is this? Come on.
Come on, I don't know.
You don't know who you are?
I don't know, do you?
I don't know who you are. Do you know who you are?
Obviously, I know who I am, and that's not the end I'm telling you.
Is this Stephen Miller?
Hey, purple flower.
This is Stephen Miller, right?
What?
Is this Stephen Miller?
Even who?
Is this Matt D'Angelo?
Even still.
Who?
Even still.
Okay.
What grade are you in?
Going into 7th.
So ugly.
Okay.
Why are you so ugly?
I hope you know this is on video, right?
What?
This is on video.
What how?
No, I'm recording a video.
Okay.
Yep.
Why?
Bye. Bye. Okay. Well, anyway, that was our ringtones video.
Sorry.
Gone prank call.
Yeah.
Okay,
That was really strange.
alright. Well, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.